a over b raised to the power x minus 1 is equal to b over a raised to the power x minus 3. Find x. For us to answer this question, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to express both the left hand side and the right hand side with the same base. I will choose to express the right hand side b over a as a over b. First, we know if you take b over a, it is simply the reciprocal of a over b, such. And this is simply the same as a over b, all this raised to the power -1. Remember, there is a law of indices which states that 1 over e raised to the power n is simply equal to e raised to the power -n. Now, if we take b over a, all this raised to the power x minus 3, it will simply be equal to a on b, all this raised to the power -1. Then we raise all this to the power x minus 3. And this will simply be equal to a over b. We are going to take the product of their powers, raised to the power -1 times x minus 3 as such. This will simply be equal to a over b, all this raised to the power -1 times x gives us -x. -1 times -3 gives us +3, which is the same as a over b, all this raised to the power 3 minus x. Now, taking the given problem, we have a over b, all this raised to the power x minus 1 is equal to b over a raised to the power x minus 3. I'll replace it with a over b, all this raised to the power 3 minus x. You'll see the left hand side and the right hand side, they have the same basis. Since they are equal, it simply means their powers must be equal to. Then x minus 1 will be equal to 3 minus x. We are going to bring the like terms together. We are going to bring all the terms in x to the left hand side and the constant terms to the right hand side. Then x with -x crosses the equality sign, becomes positive. X plus x will be equal to 3. We're going to transfer -1 to the right hand side, becomes positive. 3 plus 1. Then x plus x gives us 2x is equal to 3 plus 1, which is 4. For us to get the value of x, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. 2x divided by 2 is equal to 4 divided by 2. Then our x will simply be equal to 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So, therefore, x is simply equal to 2. We are done with the solution of the question. If in case you have any worries, feel free to leave your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.